Hi guys, today we're working with lesson 5, which was analyzing our bar graph. So yesterday we built or made our bar graphs, took data and made a bar graph, and now we're going to be not only making them, but analyzing, using the information from that bar graph to answer questions and just be able to read it and understand it. Okay, so if you open up to page 555, follow along. Okay, as usual we have our bar graph, and I've surveyed my imaginary classmates, and we're going to see which dinner they like the best, right? So chicken and broccoli, pizza, spaghetti, or milk and cookies. Well, they're asking which is the healthiest, I'm sorry, which one they think is the healthiest, chicken and broccoli, pizza, spaghetti, or milk and cookies. And then we are going to make the bar graph and write how many each got. So let's say I went around and I asked, and 6 people said that chicken and broccoli was the healthiest. So I'm going to go and color in 6 votes. Because remember, 6 boxes. Remember, for every vote you get, you color in a box on the bar graph. Okay? Let's say 2 people said pizza, and 3 people said spaghetti. And let's say no one said milk and cookies, because that's not a very healthy dinner, so 0. So then, how many people said chicken and broccoli? 6 people said chicken and broccoli, 2 people said pizza, 3 people said spaghetti, and 0 people said milk and cookies. So I read the graph and gave the information down below. So let's look at that more specifically, right? So let's say Owen surveyed his class about their favorite ice cream flavors. Then he made a bar graph to show the data. So look, he said it looks like 7 people chose chocolate, so he colored in 7 boxes. 3 people chose vanilla, so it's kind of hard to see because it's a very similar color, but there are 3 boxes colored in there. Strawberry had 5, mint had 6. He even used the different colors. Kind of looks appetizing, right? Looks like the actual ice cream. So let's see, they want to know how many he surveyed all together. Well, he surveyed 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 6 is 21. So he surveyed 21 classmates, and all I did was count up the boxes he had filled in to get his total, right? Because those are all the votes all together. You can do the tallies as well, count those up. Remember, if it has a slash through it, it's 5, so you know that quickly. And they want us to use the bar graph above to answer the questions about it, like fill in the sentences. So the flavor with the least votes is what? Which one of these has the least amount of votes? Well, I can very quickly see that vanilla has the shortest bar, so I know that it got the least amount of votes. Okay? Then it says chocolate received 2 more votes than what? Ooh, so we have to look at chocolate and see. So if 7 is the total, 2 more, the one that would get 2 more, like it would have 2 more then would of course be 2 less than what it has. So we're going to go down to 5 and see which bar that hits. And it hits strawberry because vanilla is not enough, mint is too much. So it hits strawberry. So strawberry, we can just abbreviate it as straw, we don't have to write the whole berry, is the one that has chocolate got 2 more votes than strawberry. Again, just using my graph to fill out that information. Last question says, what 2 flavors did a total of 11 students vote for? Ooh, okay. So now we have to look at these and think about which 2 numbers equal 11. Well, I know pretty quickly, just because I know my basic facts, that 5 and 6 make 11. So I have 5 with strawberry and 6 with mint, and that makes 11. So it's going to be strawberry, which I'm just going to abbreviate as straw, and mint. What you would have to do if you weren't sure and couldn't do that as quickly in your head is just a guess and check if you're not sure, right? So start with, say, chocolate and vanilla. Well, I'd say chocolate has 7, vanilla has 3, that's 10, not enough. Try chocolate and strawberry, 7 plus 5, that's 12, it's too much. Chocolate and mint, 7 plus 6, that's 13, too much, right? And then just try it with all the other flavors. Just that guess and check strategy, which we used a while ago, if you're not sure. So what you're going to do today is work with those bar graphs. They give you the bar graphs, you're going to answer questions about them, either about how much, which one has this much, how much does this one have, but also combining together, right? So you're going to do that same thing with your brain builders, and then the same thing on your homework, okay? So you're going to be fine. It's not too bad. All the answers are right in front of you. You just have to be able to find them. Be like a little detective. Everything you need is right there. All right, friends, as always, work hard, do your best, and have a great rest of your day.